Okay, I welcome the UN representatives, the Honorable Minister for Health, officials from the Ministry of Women, FRU, Super Rugby Union players, officials, supporters and families, ladies and gentlemen. Bula Minaka and a good morning to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, throughout the world, over many years, sports have unified people. They draw community members together in common purpose. They help people of different faiths, of different races, and different walks of life come together to support their local team or their national team. And internationally, they draw people from different nations together in friendly competition. This is the whole point of international competition, not to prove one people better than another, but to find common purpose through the pursuit of athletic excellence. We can all take a lesson from the Olympic athletes who admire and support each other even while they compete furiously. Rugby holds this place in Fiji. It is truly our national sport, and we all experience how important it could be to us as a people, to our sense of being one nation. In 2016, when we won the Olympic gold medal, it was a time of pure pride and great joy for every Fijian. So I'm very pleased to officiate at the opening of the Super Rugby Club competition as we begin our post-COVID-19 rugby season. The club preseason matches will conclude with the Te Levo and Suva provincial warm-up this afternoon, and then we start in earnest. Given rugby's ability to unify, I'm glad that one of the themes Super Rugby Union will promote this season is Together We Tackle COVID-19. Fiji is now a COVID-contained country, one of the first countries in the world to achieve that. But we cannot drop our guard. We must remain vigilant and disciplined against this disease. As we begin our post-COVID-19 rugby season, we must keep in mind that new cases have arrived at our borders even after we had gone 78 days without a new infection. I wouldn't call this a second wave. It's not a second wave. We must remember that because we contained it through our vigorous quarantine requirement and prevented it from becoming a wave. But it underscores the fact that we have only managed to gain a fragile truce with this virus. We have not yet won the war. We have to keep fighting and strictly adhere to the safety and hygiene precautions directed by our health minister and our health ministry. Our success is a testimony not just to the system the government put in place, but to the competence and hard work of the professionals who tracked down the virus and prevented it from spreading. And I cannot thank the Fijian people enough for pulling together and acting responsibly with regard for their fellow citizens. They are true heroes in this battle. And all this effort has brought us to this day, which would not have been possible 2 months ago. Today's launching of the Super Rugby Union competitions with the warm-up matches has instilled confidence in our communities as the nation returns to normality. The UNDP, Minister of Health, Minister of Women, and other government agencies in partnership with Super Rugby Union are using rugby to reach out to our communities. And they are not just talking about COVID-19. They are saying no to violence against women and children. And as you know, I personally committed to wiping out violence against women and children in Fiji. They are encouraging our youth to say no to drugs. And they are trying to help everyone fight NCD diseases like diabetes and heart disease, which disable us and kill too many of our fellow citizens. I commend the Super Rugby Union for being champions of these critical social causes and for their efforts to help improve the lives of all Fijians. And now I'd like to say a few words about Super Rugby as we Fijians who love rugby know it. Super Rugby Union is a revered national institution. It has more clubs than any province in Fiji, formed from communities, religious organizations, all boys schools, the discipline forces, and other organizations extending from the city itself to Lamy District, Neta City, and the Sinu area. Super Rugby Union was also the first union to host female club competition as we attempt to elevate women's sports and put them on par with the men. Suba Rugby Union holds one of the oldest club competition shields in the southern hemisphere, the Escort Shield, which is more than 100 years old. And of course, Suba Rugby Union has also produced and groomed many international players and has earned the respect of rugby fanatics worldwide. 30 years ago, the Namboa Rugby Club in Suba introduced the sweeper to sevens play, and today that structure is in sevens play worldwide. Many sons of Suba Rugby have made their mark on the international arena and earned intimidating nicknames like of Wesley Serebi, the Wizard, and Nakarawa, the King of Offloads, and recently Aminasi Timamba, the Tornado, and Nanduba as Mr. Nitro, and Ratu Meli Dernalangi as the White Shark. Has come a long way. We are an international superpower in the sevens code and have been toppling tier 1 nations in 15s. I congratulate Suba Rugby, the holder of FRU Skipper Cup for the last 3 years, has consistently developed and contributed the majority of the players for our national team. So keep striving for excellence, keep reaching out to bring more communities into rugby, redouble your efforts to women's rugby, and let's see the women bring back gold from Tokyo. Excuse me. And always take pride that beyond the excitement of the sport, and despite the thrill of the game, you are a unifying force for Fiji. I would like to thank the UNDP, the Ministry for Health, Ministry for Women, and other government agencies and private institutions for forging partnerships with Suba Rugby clubs, players, supporters, and families. I hope these partnerships will create more ways for our young people to develop good values and habits, to harness their talents, and to become proud contributing members of society. And now, it gives me great pleasure to launch the post-COVID-19 Suba Rugby Union Club competition. Binakabalevu, God bless you all.
Suba. Dua tolu Suba. Suba. Dua tolu Suba.